Excuse me, is this the bus stop for City Center?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
The bus is late.
Yes, it is always late.
I have an interview today.
Oh, don't worry.
Is this the bus for City Center? No. This one goes to Riverside. Oh, no. When will the right bus come? Maybe in 10 minutes.
I am getting late.
Don't worry, you still have time.
Are you sure?
Yes, stay relaxed.
Is this the bus to City Center?
Yes. Get in.
Thank you so much.
Finally. First time going there?
Yes, I am a little nervous.
You will be fine.
Thank you for helping me.
Have a good day.
I will.